1 to 7 step steel stringer installation. Before you start, 3 questions needs to be answered.
How to calculate the overall height? Calculate the number of steps required for established height. Calculate the number of stringers required for established width.
First, it is important to measure the height of your deck from the top of it to the landing where it sits on the ground. Secondly, report the height obtained into the chart to know how many steps is required. If your height is over 64 inch, you will need to use the steel stringer connector.
Thirdly, see in the chart for the maximum spacing between the steel stair riser for residential or commercial application. In our case, we do have a height of 45 inch and our stair is 64 inch wide.
Therefore, we will need 3 5-step steel stringer. We recommend to use threads composed of 2 2x6, however it is also possible to use a 2x12. Install the left and right stringer at 1.5 inches from each edge.
Install the third stringer in the middle.
Fix the 2x6 to the stringers from underneath using 2 1.5 inch wood screws. First, install the top and bottom threads, and then install the remaining threads. It is important to fix the upper threads at 7.5 inches from the deck. Fix your staircase to your deck using 5/16 by 2 or 3/8 by 2 inch wood screws for each stringers.